Skeleton refers to the structural framework of hard tissue that support and protect the soft organs of the animals. It consists of, you can see this is the skeleton of cow. It consists of bones, cartilages, tendons. Skeleton is generally classified into two types: exoskeleton, found on the outer part of the body; endoskeleton, they are found inside the body. Exoskeleton means outside, found on the outer surface of the body. So they are mainly found in the invertebrates like shell in the crab. You will also find in case of vertebrates, for example, nails. Okay, so nails, they are the exoskeleton. Okay, horns. Okay, horns are the exoskeleton. Hooves are the exoskeleton. Shell, this outermost covering of the tortoise, they are also exoskeleton. Endo means inside, endoskeleton, present inside the body. They are embedded in the soft tissues. They form the internal supporting framework. Okay, so these bones, they form the endoskeleton. They are present inside the body. Endoskeleton is divided into three parts: axial skeleton, appendicular skeleton, placnic or visceral skeleton. Axial skeleton forms the central axis of the body. It includes skull, your vertebral column, ribs and sternum. You can see this is the central axis. Okay, this is the central axis of the body of the animal. Okay, so the skull part, you can see the skull. Okay, the vertebral column, clear. Then the ribs, okay, and the sternum. Okay, so they form the axial skeleton. Okay, so the skull, vertebral column, ribs and the sternum, so they form axial skeleton. Appendicular skeleton comprises the bones of the limbs, appendages. Okay, so the bones of the forelimbs. Okay, bones of the hind limbs. Then placnic or visceral skeleton consists of bones that develop within certain soft organs, viscera. Example, os penis in the dog, found in the penis of the dog. Os cordis means the bone is found in the heart of the ruminants, ox and sheep.